Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use or apply the CIBC Line of Credit. You can get flexible access to funds with a CIBC Personal Line of Credit. Great for everyday expenses or big-ticket items at an interest rate lower than most credit cards. Secured borrowing allows you to use your home or other assets as collateral and potentially get a lower interest rate and higher credit limit. Unsecured borrowing allows you to access the credit you need with a faster approval process. To continue, make sure that you're a Canadian or US resident and you've reached the age of maturity in your province. Ensure that you aren't applied for the benefit of a third party. You haven't been declined for credit by CIBC in the last 6 months and you haven't declared bankruptcy in the past 7 years. Also, you consent to the collection, use, and sharing of your personal information as described in CIBC's privacy policy. If you don't meet the mentioned conditions, please visit a CIBC branch. If you exit, cancel, or close your browser before completing this application, you agree that CIBC may contact you to provide further assistance. After submitting your application, you will be contacted by phone to complete the process within 5 business days. If you prefer an in-person appointment with a CIBC representative instead, meet with them. After that, enter the amount you want to borrow and continue to proceed. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.